For your airsoft plinking, don't go spending a lot of money on steel targets. What you can buy is these galvanized sheets of steel. I mean, not steel, but galvanized metal or whatever. Very inexpensive. See, I have them set up all over the place over here. Over there. And back over there for a good distance shot. You can get these, I think it's like 20 bucks for a sheet. You can get 5 targets out of that. So let's see what they sound like with an airsoft BB. And we'll just look at the, see, little indentations. This is cheap. You can plink, and you can cut as many targets as you want. Like I said, for about 24 bucks, sheet of galvanized steel. Small sheet that I got cut me 5 nice targets. There's one in the distance there. I don't know if the light is good enough. You see? Okay, we're going to hit that one. There you go. Alright. So if you want to get nice plinking targets, don't go buy steel. It's expensive. Get galvanized sheets of, I don't know what they are. Galvanized metal? Galvanized tin? I don't know what the hell it is, but it works. So we'll get this one right between. You have plinking fun all day. Alright, thanks for watching.